If you've ever wondered how to move text freely to any location in Microsoft Word, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to place text exactly where you want it on the page, without being locked into the normal line-by-line layout. This is super useful for flyers, worksheets, forms, labels, certificates, and any document where precise placement matters. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that regular text in Word follows the document flow, which means you can't freely drag it wherever you want. So to move text freely, we're going to use a text box. Start by going to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Once you're there, look for Text Box, click it, and then choose Draw Text Box. This gives you complete control over where the text can go. After that, click and drag on your page to draw the text box. You can make it as big or as small as you want, depending on how much text you plan to add. Once the box appears, just type your text inside it normally. At this point, the text is inside the box, and the box itself can be moved around the page. Now here's the key part. If you want to move that text to a different location, just click the edge of the text box, then drag it wherever you want on the page. You can place it near the top, in the center, to the side, or anywhere else that fits your layout. This is what makes it so powerful, because you're no longer limited to the default paragraph formatting in Word. If you want the text to look like normal text and not like it's inside a visible box, there's one more step. Click on the text box, then go to the Shape Format tab. From there, find Shape Outline and choose No Outline. After that, go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. This removes the border and background, so the text blends in much more naturally with the rest of your document. Once you do that, it will look like the text is floating freely on the page, even though it's actually inside a text box. That's the easiest way to move text freely in Microsoft Word while keeping full control over its position. You can also resize the box later if needed, or move it again just by dragging it around. A few quick tips before you go. If you're working on a document with a lot of text boxes, it helps to keep your layout simple so things don't overlap accidentally. Also, if you need exact placement, use the rulers and alignment tools in Word to help position the text more accurately. And if you're creating a polished document, always preview the page before printing so you can make sure everything looks right. So that's it. Now you know how to move text freely to a location in Microsoft Word using a text box. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for any document that needs custom placement. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.